Hi guys, it's Otto from Motorize It, and today I will be showing you the improved version of the Oximo RTS, which is the Oximo I/O, and how you can reset it to its factory settings, so to its default settings, which is always handy if something goes wrong during the programming process and you need to go back to basically blank slate and start from nothing, because it's often easier than trying to find an error and correct it. So what do you need? You need a remote control. In this case, it's a Smooth Origin I/O. It's a one-way remote control, and you need the motor itself, and you need to be able to turn it on and off of power. I'll show you now how it works. So the first thing to do, and this is similar to an RTS motor, is you take it off power for 3 seconds. It's 1, 2, 3. Plug it back in. Count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Off again. 1, 2, 3. And we plug it back in. As you see, the motor is working now. And what I need to do now is I take remote control, and I only do this once the motor has stopped working. And I press the PROC button on the back, and I hold it until the motor has responded twice. You've had a first response already. You wait until you get the second response, and that's it. And now the motor is no longer working on this remote, and it's been restored to its factory settings. So you can start again with matching a remote control to it, setting the end limits, etc. Now, if you have any questions or if it's not working out, let me know in the comments, or you can go to the website, which is www.motorize.it. Thank you, and see you next time.